Okay, in this week's recap, continued COVID-19 related volatility in the markets as oil and energy prices sink in reaction. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Modest declines in stock prices this week masked the volatile inter and intraday price swings as investors digested poor economic data and a warning from the president that the worst days of the COVID-19 pandemic may still lie ahead. The Dow Jones Industrials Average slipped 2.7%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 dropped 2.08%. The NASDAQ Composite Index declined 1.72%. The MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, slid 2.76%. Stock prices appeared to find some firmer footing early in the week, but then continued to trend lower as investors assessed the virus's economic toll. Manufacturing output fell into contraction territory, while jobless claims soared with a record 6.6 million Americans filing for unemployment benefits. The market's worst day followed President Trump's announcement that he was extending the social distancing guidelines, adding that conditions were likely to get worse before getting better. Oil prices soared on Thursday after comments by President Trump that Russia and Saudi Arabia would be cutting oil production, and on news that China would be buying oil to add to its strategic reserve. Stock prices were pulled higher by the rebound in oil prices, but turned lower once again, falling under the weight of weak economic data. The health and economic impact of COVID-19 has dominated the news cycle, and appropriately so. But a less publicized story is the building stress in America's energy industry. Oil prices are depressed, which has left many U.S. producers that have substantial debt obligations in a precarious financial position. Just this week, a publicly traded oil company filed for bankruptcy protection, a potential precursor of more to follow. Widespread failure in the oil patch may aggravate economic problems through the elimination of high-paying jobs, lower capital expenditures, and capital losses for bondholders. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. To learn how I give my clients' life savings the attention it deserves, visit me online at www.erichagan.pro. If you'd like to get financially organized, go check out nocostfinancialdashboard.com. And lastly, if you'd like to take control of your 401k at work, visit us over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.